Thank you for considering Guarantee today. My name is Ashley Lundy, and today I'm going to be showing you this 2018 Winnebago Spirit. If you have any further questions on it, you can contact me directly. My direct line is 541-337-2387. So let me show you what this one has. One of my favorite features is not only do you have a backup camera, but you actually have side cameras on here. So anytime you use your turn signal, you're going to get a side view to know where your wheels are going, if you have any traffic that's in your blind spot. Already have the lights on here. This particular unit actually has the faux leather seats instead of the standard cloth seats that you'll find on these. This one is in like new condition, only has a few thousand miles. It was actually originally purchased from us, and then we purchased it back when they decided to go a different route later on. And I was the one fortunate enough to help them with that. This particular one actually has the extra large booth, so you can fit a full-length person on this one instead of just a child. And if you loosen the table, you can spin it. So if you have any arts and crafts projects, or if you're feeling a little snug, everybody can fit on this one. And these actually extend out as well, so everybody can have a seat at the table. Over here you have your nice dark countertops, nothing's gonna stain these. Double stainless steel sink. Very nice faucet pulls out. And over on your stovetop, 3 propane burners and a microwave both. And of course your standard 2-door fridge. Looks like it's never been used. And further down we have the bathroom. This is great because you can use the door as a divider for privacy, and we have a pull-out door on the side here. So you can turn this into your own personal area. We're gonna have a very large shower here. I don't know if you can see. And then in our bathroom here, we actually have some pretty good counter space. So ladies, you can definitely do your makeup on there. I did not do a lot of that today. And back in our master bedroom, we do have an additional TV for your viewing pleasure. So you have the living room slide, and then this slides out towards the rear. And I love this. You have extra little cupboard space, counter space, closet space. This is our goodie box we put in all of our units. This gets you all the keys, the manuals, any little goodies we have for you on here. Drawer space, and then here I have a full-length mirror, so when you're getting dressed here, you can make sure you're looking nice and tidy. This unit also is going to have a little bit of storage underneath here. This is also where you're going to have a water tank, and you can more easily access that from the outside. And when you pull in that slide, it kind of turns into a couch. So you can lounge back there or up here. Or you can pull this out, set up your ladder, crawl up here. So you're gonna have 3 large beds in this one. So depending on how cozy you are, you can sleep quite a few people. These chairs even swivel, so what you're seeing up here is the extra cushions. So when you spin these around, your butt's not sitting on the floor. You'll be nice and comfortable. So back on the outside here, you're gonna have some small storage compartments. Kind of goes pretty deep in there. And on the back here, more storage. It actually goes all the way through down there. So if you have some really long items, skis, maybe you want to transport some wood, and you have a spare tire, you have a ladder, you even have jack stands and a tow hitch, so you can flat tow your vehicle, your trailer. As you can see, this one is like in brand new condition. You'd never know it wasn't new. They took very good care of it. Even got the chrome mirror upgrades. So this is our 2018 Winnebago Spirit. It's a 26A floor plan. And again, if you have any questions further about it, please give me a call. Again, my name is Ashley Lundy, and my direct line is 541-337-2387 here at Guarantee RV in Junction City. Thank you so much for watching.